Ama ben denizi çok seviyorum. Ama yine de baba mesleğidir, eş mesleğidir diye devam ettiriyoruz.
Denize gitmek mecburiyetindeyiz, çaremiz yok.
Onun için mücadele etmemiz lazım.
Eski balık yok.
Gitgide azalıyor.
Millions of people around the world depend directly on the oceans for their income. Many live in extreme poverty and are desperate. Some see wildlife simply as food. Conservationists work tirelessly to find a balance between protection of the natural world and recognizing the needs of people who rely on it. 2013 Whitley Award winner Zafer Kızılkaya faced this challenge when he began his work in Koruma Bay 10 years ago. A popular tourist destination, Turkey's Koruma Bay is famed for its crystal clear waters, perfect sailing conditions and historical dive sites. The people of the bay have fished these waters for over 2,000 years. But when Zafer first arrived in 2007, he realized all was not well.
We saw that overfishing, illegal fishing, and some tourism activities had a huge impact.
Fish stocks had collapsed, decimating local income. Zafer knew he had to act fast. He established a network of marine reserves designated as no fishing zones. But not everyone was convinced.
At the beginning, the local community was quite suspicious about these no fishing zones. There was a big resistance.
But as fish numbers recovered, Zafer was able to turn the tide of local opinion. With grassroots support, Zafer put his Whitley Award funding to impressive use.
We decided to establish our own marine ranger system.
Local fishermen have been recruited to patrol the no fishing zones. They're equipped with specialist police cameras. Illegal activity is live-streamed to the Coast Guard. Zafer also set up a campaign to promote consumption of invasive species that threaten this ecosystem. The community now keeps detailed reports on the numbers and type of fish caught, the only bay to do so in Turkey. Working together, Zafer and the fishermen have reversed the fortunes of Koruma Bay.
Money.
In this last 6 years, the fishery-related incomes of the local fishing community here increased more than 400%.
Endangered species such as Mediterranean monk seals and sandbar sharks are returning to the bay in ever-increasing numbers. Zafer's conservation model is so effective, other countries plan to adopt it. And he's surveying new sites that could benefit.
We believe that we could easily replicate the project somewhere else.
Zafer's Whitley Gold Award will be used to help support this expansion, radically transforming marine life across the Mediterranean.